Indulge in a magical holiday at Cebu's premier 5-star integrated resort as its tree lighting celebration sparks love, hope, peace, and joy. A fantasyland brought to life awaits you at the NUSTAR Resort Cebu. This feature is in partnership with NUSTAR Resort Cebu. Poised with a mystical holiday magic, the tree lighting welcomes guests into an enchanting realm of elegance and wonder as a vibrant tapestry of blooming florals, whimsical butterflies, and radiant ornaments transforms the holiday centerpiece, setting the stage for a celebration that's as magical as it is mesmerizing. As performances from graceful fairies and cheerful elves transform the destination spacious The Atrium into a Christmas wonderland, all in attendance were glued in awe for such an exuberant display seemingly straight from a storybook, with orchestrated melodies weaved all throughout.
We just wanted to, bring a Christmas and a holiday season full of light, love, and magic to not just to our usual patrons, but to families, not just here in Cebu, but those visiting Cebu. This year is actually very special for us because we're partnering up with Sistemang Filipino, which is a non-profit organization that supports children and the youth in the arts and culture.
More than the visual spectacles is a heartfelt intention of sharing. NUSTAR Resort Cebu, through Universal Cultural Foundations Incorporated, took the opportunity to showcase the true spirit of the season by supporting Sistemang Filipino, a non-profit devoted to nurturing young Filipino talent in music through scholarships and performance opportunities. This initiative, enjoined with their long-standing tradition of having distinguished community exemplars, fondly referred to as star bearers, alongside scholars from the said organization, adorn its meticulously designed tree with radiant stars symbolizing the core values the establishment upholds. Marks NUSTAR Resort Cebu's commitment to fostering talent while giving importance to grassroots heritage. Highlighting this promise is a premiere of its refreshed take on the Vis pop hit Balay ni Mayang, performed by Cebuano artists Dixie Cruel and Vince Seblos. Accompanied by a vibrant music video, a sequel to its I Love Cebu remake, this release reflects how the destination transcends luxury, giving a glimpse of how it can be a place to strengthen bonds, perfect as a Christmas escape.
Merry Christmas, everyone. We are happy to welcome you here at NUSTAR in yet another holiday season. We have a lot in store for you, and we made sure that this Christmas is special by giving you only the best offerings in the hotel, in the F&B, and in our gaming and non-gaming offerings. So hope to see you here.
Take charge in planning for the holidays with a 20% price cut for direct bookings on rooms and suites, and an additional 10% discount for reward card holders at Feely Hotel. 'Tis the perfect season to experience mystical and magical holidays at the NUSTAR.